Hello everyone, as you know we are doing a story that is Little Round Bun and we have read the story, and so children, today we will start the exercise part of the story. So children, let's see the exercise B1 vocabulary. Choose the correct way, correct answer, like work is to day as sleep is to night. So you will choose the night here. A teacher is to a student, as a mother is to a family. You know that you will pick the family. Thick is to thin, as short is to long. Branch is to tree, as a leg is to body. Leela is to girl, as John is to boy. So you will do easily. Next exercise children, teach and learn. What is teach and what is learn? I will explain you. Teach, to give knowledge to someone. Teach meaning to give knowledge to someone. When we give knowledge to someone, it's called teach. So I am teaching to you. And learn, to gain knowledge by studying. To gain knowledge is you are learning because you gain knowledge by studying from experience or instruction. If you gain knowledge by studying from by your experience or by your instructions, this is called learn. You are learning and I am teaching here. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the word teach or learn. My father will dash me how to ride a bicycle. The father is giving knowledge, so here you will write teach. Maya wants to dash how to make a sandwich. Maya wants to learn. Next is, our class teacher told us to dash the spelling of 5 words and write them in our notebook. Our class teacher told us to learn the spellings. Kabir is going to dash his pet dog to fetch the newspaper. Kabir is going to teach his pet dog to fetch the newspaper. How to fetch the newspaper? If you dash something useful is to your friend. If you learn something useful, teach it to your friend, like this. So children, next exercise C, grammar part. This is a present simple. Now what is present simple? You will do in the grammar book also. Read the following sentences. Zebu always wake up at 6 o'clock. The train leaves. Yes children, next sentence is, the sun rises in the east, wood floats on water. Look at the sentences. Zebu always wakes up at 6 o'clock. The train leaves at 10 o'clock every day. The sun rises in the east, wood floats on water. We use present simple tense for habit or repeated action. Children, first thing you have to remember that we use present simple tense when we are talking about habit or repeated action. Like sun rises in the east. You know that it's a repeated action. Sun daily rises in the east, and it's a laws of nature also. Sun rises in the east, and Zebu always wakes up at 6 o'clock. So it's a habit. Here we call it's a repeated action because Zebu always wake up. He always wake up at 6 o'clock. So when we are talking about the habits or repeated action, laws of nature means universal truth. Like sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. The earth moves around the sun. All are laws of nature. So we will speak always in the simple present. Now children, look at here. You will write H. Here write H for habits or LN for laws of nature. You will write H for habit, LN for laws of nature in the boxes. Like fire burns paper. Fire burns paper. It's a laws of nature. You will write LN here. We always have lunch at 1:30. It's a habit. We always have lunch at 1:30. It's a habit. You will write H here. The earth moves around the sun. You know that it's a law of nature. Earth moves around the nature. You will write LN here. So children, you have to read the sentences and write H for habit and LN for laws of nature. So children, next is a table is given here. This is a very important table. Here singular and plural noun are given here, and what you use in the simple present tense, it's a given here. I. When the do or does, so you will use I, you with do. I do not, yeah, I don't. You do, you don't, yeah, you do not. He does not, he doesn't. She does, she doesn't, she does not. It does not, it doesn't. So we will write I and you. We will write do with I and you, and we will write does with he, she and it. And in the plural cases, we, you, they. We always write do. In plural, we always write do, and in singular, we write does. DOES, does. You will remember this thing. But in this I is an exceptional case here. I is singular, but we use do with I. Okay. And the short form of do not is don't. Short form of do not is don't. Children, look at the exercise based on the table. Here children, exercise C2 is given here. Fill in the blanks with the correct simple present tense form of the action words given in bracket. So children, you know that you will write if the pronoun is singular, so you will write S. Verb form में you will add S. So you will add I English. I speak English. She dash eat ice cream. You know that with she we write does not. You French, you do not know. Akhil is a singular, so we write Akhil gets up. The birds here, birds is a plural noun, so we will write fly. The birds fly to faraway country in winter. Now children, next is change the sentences using don't or doesn't. Don't, you know that we have seen in the table ki how to use don't and how to use doesn't. An owl sleeps at night, you will write an owl doesn't sleep at night. If the noun is singular, you will use doesn't, and if the noun is plural, you will use don't. Like the children go to school on Sunday, you know that children are plural, so you will write the children don't go to school on Sunday. Mr. Lal teaches English, you know that Mr. Lal is singular, so Mr. Lal does not teach. When you put does not, so you will remove the es from the teaches. Okay, Mr. Lal does not teach English. So children, next exercise is complete the answers. You have to complete the answers. Do the children do homework every day? You will write the yes, they do. Does the doctor sell apple and oranges? No. Here no, it's like no. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. A doctor, you will use he. No, he doesn't. Does the school bell ring after every year? Yes, it rings. Here does, so you will write rings. Yes, it rings. Does the sun rises at night? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Do you smile a lot? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Like this. Children, next is